Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to prepare a Gantt chart in using the help of MS Excel. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you'll get a notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out a playlist, you will find 190 plus videos that will help in cracking your interviews for the various verticals like quality analyst, trainers, team leader, operation manager, like SMEs. Many more videos are there, even MS Excel dashboards, reports, Six Sigma certification, like tricks related to improving the process. Many more videos are there, guys, that will surely help you out. So today's concept that is on how to prepare a Gantt chart with the help of MS Excel. So before moving to prepare this, let's understand what is the use of Gantt chart. So basically I'll copy paste this data at some sheet. Okay, now so in a training team, whenever they will go with like they got to know that they have to start batches, then they will create certain deadlines, like that the start date will be this for the first batch, then the end date will be this will be the duration. In this way they will create a certain plan. Okay, on the basis of that they can align a trainers, they can arrange a shift, they can arrange what is the number of HC which they are getting out in order to have this batches getting trained when they are moving to nesting phases and when they will move to the full production. So this all will be discussed, but when they will go for the projection in front of management or client, they will show in a way of Gantt chart. So let me choose training batch and start date first, then I'll go to insert and I'll choose a recommended chart. Here in the upside we'll click on all chart, go to bar, go to second stack bar, click OK. I hope this is clear for everyone. If not, please share your comments in the feedback session, and if you still not have done the like on this particular video, please do that. It will definitely motivate me. Now let's move to the next part. I want the order to be changed, so let me double click here on the batches. You can see here there is a graph option. You have to go to access option, then you will click on categories to the reverse order. How this particular format access came here is, you have to go to this bar, click on this batches access, double click here, then this will get popped up. Now let me click on categorize in a reverse order. This is done. You can see here the data moved in the reverse order now. Yes, it's moved. Now let me do some correction in the dates also. Double click on the dates. Yes, now again you'll get one access option for the dates. Click on the access option. First I'll give the start date. So my batch start date is August 1st. So 1st August 2024. Let me copy this and paste it to the second maximum and change this first to 30, because 30 is my maximum timing of the training. This is done. You can see here we got certain dates. I'll do one more changes. I need a gapping of only 2, which means after it's a gapping of 5, like after first it's showing 6, then 11, then 16 and 21. I want a gapping of 2. Okay, so the gapping is also done. Let me increase the size. Okay, this is done. The size is also got increased. Now let me remove the grid lines, which means the lines which we are seeing in between of this table. Okay, grid lines, yes, grid lines are removed. So this is done. Let me add a legend I will add in the bottom. Okay, so this will let me know that what this blue color basically represent. This represent the dates. Now this is done. Let me add a chart title that I'll add later on. Okay, or else if you want you can add it. So before that, let me add one more thing of a duration. Okay, choose the chart, click on right option. You'll get an option of insert select data. Done. Click on add. It will ask me the series name, which is duration, and it is asking the values. Okay, equal to select all the values what we have. So I have selected everything. You can see here it got selected. Okay, it's showing me an error. Let me re-add it. Equal to. Yes, this is done. Done. Okay, there was some spacing issue due to which it was not added. So how I did, right click, select data. So how this start date came, let me remove, or else I can do edit. So it's in the series name I have chosen the duration. If you directly click here it will get selected, and in the sheet values I have chosen this duration dates. Then okay, this is done. Now let me click on this blue color bar. So all the blue color will get selected. Okay, and let me do format data series. Right click and format data series, and let me re-click. Let me choose everything. Okay, this is done. Let me go to the, yes, no fill. Here is the option which is no fill. Yes, this is done. You can see here the no fill option, which means all the blue color bar got removed. Now I want a labels. Okay, so I want a label for duration. On duration I want a label. Okay, so I have chosen all the duration and clicked on data label. So I got a duration here, everything got sorted. Now it's looking good. I will add a chart title. Even chart title, I will re-add the chart name, or else let me copy paste from here. Okay, this is done. Let me add some color code if needed. Go to home, you can give some color code also. Yes, this is done. Now you can see the chart is ready, the Gantt chart is ready. Now during the WBR or anything, you can represent my first batch will get started from August and it will be completed within the 10 and 9 days duration is required. Same, the second batch will get started from, you can see here dates, and yes, it will get started from 8 and it will be get covered by 17. In this way they will represent the nesting batch start and the end date. Now again you will click on data table. The data table will also get visible. If needed you can add this, if not you can delete it. It's up to you guys. Okay, this will show you like when the batch will get start 1st August till 9th date, when the second batch will get, when the third batch will get start. In this way it will show the data. If needed you can add a grid line again, and if title required you can add a title again back. You can mention here batches. Okay, this is done, batches. In this way our graph is ready, guys. So in this way you can prepare a Gantt chart that will help you to analyze like how a batch gets started and what will be the deadline. If you still have any doubt, please let me know, guys. I will definitely help you out in solving the issues. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.